Ladies and gentlemen of Cambria. Building on our knowledge of major scales, we can now move on to intervals. Intervals are how we describe the pitch distance between notes. And we've already explored intervals in our warm-ups last semester. Working with the C major scale, you'll remember C, D, major second, C, E, major third, C, F, perfect fourth, C, G, perfect fifth, C, A, major sixth, C, B, major seventh, and perfect octave. And with our knowledge of scales, we can do that in any key. For example, here's D. Same thing. D, E, major second, D, F sharp, major third, D, G, perfect fourth, D, A, perfect fifth, D, B, major sixth, D, C sharp, major seventh, perfect octave. Now, the terms perfect and major and minor, just as a matter of interest, refer back to medieval times when composers were first starting to add notes to the unison chants, and the perfect intervals were the more acceptable intervals to use. So in our warm-ups, we also sang some minor intervals, and you'll recall that we did C, D, major second, C, D flat, minor second, C, E, major third, C, E flat, minor third, and we see F, perfect fourth, C, G, perfect fifth, C, A, major sixth, C, A flat, minor sixth, and C, B, major seventh, C, B flat, minor seventh, and perfect octave. And of course, we can also do that in any key. So the rules for these naming of the different intervals, when major intervals are reduced by a half step, they become minor intervals. Major third, C to E, C to E flat, minor third. When perfect intervals or minor intervals are reduced by a half step, they become diminished. C, G, perfect fifth, C, G flat, diminished fifth. And then when major intervals or perfect intervals are raised by a half step, they become augmented intervals. For example, C to A is a major sixth, C to A sharp is an augmented sixth, and C to F is a perfect fourth, C to F sharp is an augmented fourth, or as we learned, a tritone. Now, one of the tricky things in theory is it seems like an augmented fourth and a diminished fifth are the same note, because they are on the piano, but they're not in theory or in life. Now, since we can construct a scale in any key, we can calculate intervals in any key, and that means we can calculate any interval from any note, and looking at any two notes, we can tell the interval. So let's try some. The interval from C up to F, from C up to B flat, what's the interval? C down to F, and what's a perfect fourth above E, and a minor third above F sharp. So hit pause, and then give these a try, and then hit play again, and we'll see. Okay, a perfect fourth, from C to F, a perfect fourth. From C to B flat, a minor seventh. From C to E flat, a minor third. From C down to F, a perfect fifth. And a perfect fourth above E is A. and a minor third above F sharp is also A. How'd you do? Till next time.